Organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, components, reaction, preparation of carbon containing compounds, which include not only hydrocarbons but also composition with any numbers of the other elements including hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So let's start. It is the chemistry subdiscipline involving the study of the nomenclature, structure, properties, reaction of organic molecules and materials. An organic molecule is almost any molecule containing carbon and hydrogen atoms. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbides, right? Al4C3, Mg2C, calcium carbides, cyanides, NaCN, HCN, carbonates. So all are exceptions of compound. 5 million organic compounds. A molecule with only hydrogen and carbon atoms, it is called hydrocarbon. Now what are the alkanes? You are already know about alkanes in 11 science and 12 science. So what are alkane? They are organic molecules called aliphatic, that are the saturated compounds. Linear chains, structure isomers and cycloalkanes. So what is the general formula of alkane? General formula of alkane is CnH twice n plus 2. Like that methane it means CH4, ethane means C2H6, 6 hydrogen and 2 carbon atom. So structural isomer, same formula, different structure. Isobutane, it means 2 methyl propane, and cycloalkanes means closed loop. Also general formula is CnH twice n plus 2. This is the cyclopropane. So these are all are alkanes. Alkanes are divided or substituted in linear chains, structure isomers and cycloalkanes. This is the classification of alkanes. Alkanes divided in two parts, straight chain alkanes and branch chain alkanes. Straight chain alkanes means all carbon atom in a straight continuous chain like butane, normal butane C4H10, and this is the structural formula. Branch chain alkane means all carbon atom not in continuous chain. It is also divided in two parts, isoalkanes and neoalkanes. Isoalkanes means first carbon branch CH3 attached to second carbon atom to normal chain. This is the isobutane. Now neoalkanes, two carbon branch attached to two carbon atom of normal chain, and this is the neohexane. Now properties of alkanes. Property of alkanes, it is also physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties, it means the physical properties of alkane depends upon intermolecular force of attraction. Since alkanes are not polar, so their molecules are held by weak van der Waals force, which depends on surface area and structure of molecules. You already know van der Waals forces. And chemical properties. In chemical properties, these are the nucleophilic reaction, electrophilic reaction. These are the chemical properties of alkane. Alkanes introduction. Alkane are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon, it means carbon only single bond present. They are represented by general formula CnH twice n plus 2. When n is the number of carbon atoms, they containing CC means carbon single bond. Only one single bond present in alkane in saturated hydrocarbon. They are also called a paraffins, means less affinity. Paraffin is a Latin param plus affin, meaning little affinity or reactivity, because they do not undergo chemical reaction easily. So benzene, naphthalene, anthracene are extra some example of arenes. Arenes are also unsaturated hydrocarbons. This is the hydrocarbon classification, acyclic and cyclic. Acyclic means open chain. Open chains are also substituted past. Saturated, it means alkanes, and unsaturated, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes means double bond and alkyne means triple bond, and cyclic is a closed chain, cycloalkanes and arenes. Now this is the some example of alkane. General formula is CnH twice n plus 2. Structural formula and numbers of possible isomers. This is the methane to decane. 4 hydrogen atom to 22 hydrogen means carbon 1 to carbon 10. C1 to C10. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Now next, this is the structural formula of methane, ethane and propane. Methane in 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, ethane have a 2 carbon and propane have a 3 carbon atom present. Now next is pentane, isopentane and neopentane. In pentane is a straight chain, but isopentane is a branch and neopentane is a also branch. Only structural formula is different, but molecular formula is same. Isopentane have a 1 methyl group is attached and neopentane have a 4 methyl group are attached with middle carbon atom. Now next is some example of hydrocarbon types: neopentane, isobutane, branch chain alkane, and CH2 double bond CH, ethene or ethylene, alkene, carbon carbon double bond, and this is the cyclobutane, not for a favor H atom than other butane. So this is the some example of hydrocarbon types: normal pentane, isobutane and ethene. Now this is the saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons and their general formula. General formula of alkane CnH twice n plus 2 and alkene CnH twice n and alkyne CnH twice n minus 2.